Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin there, and so we're gonna watch a video. It's called Caillou Sells Rosie on eBay. Enjoy the video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. Send requests in the comments, and thanks for 17,000 subscribers. Also, subscribe to my new channel called Grounding Central. The link is in the description. I'm kind of broke and I need money. I wonder what I could do to make some cold hard cash. It needs to be easy work though. I don't feel like doing anything hard. I know, I'll sell some things online. Now, what should I sell? I could sell our TV. No, the old thing probably wouldn't make enough money. I have to think what would make me a lot of money. Something rare, something that no one else is selling. Something that this family clearly doesn't need and that is taking up too much space. Something like, "Could you shut up, you privileged white male? You're being too loud. I'm trying to meditate my powerful feminist mind and your oppressive brain waves are hindering me. Shut up." I know, I'll sell Rosie, but this will be tough. How can I trick her? Wait a second, I know what to do. Let's see. First I have to make the profile for my merchandise. Let's see, the merchandise is loud, obnoxious, has red hair, and is great at scaring animals, very lifelike as well. Oh, wow, someone wants to buy already. It's a farmer who needs a scarecrow to keep birds and animals away. This is so great. Now for the second part of the plan. Oh wow, this money is just randomly sitting here. This must be here for me because I'm a woman after all and I deserve everything I want, and I want this money so it's now mine. Let me just have a look in this box and see how much cash is in here. Where's the money? I don't see anything in here. Hey, why is this box moving? Stop, what are you doing? This is so great. I sold Rosie on eBay and my parents have no idea. Now I'm going to use the money from selling Rosie to go to Chuck E. Cheese's.
What did you just say, Caillou? You sold Rosie on eBay without my permission, and you are about to use the blood money to go to Chuck E. Cheese's?
Yes. I did that, but you have to admit, wouldn't you rather have some nice money instead of that ginger annoyance called Rosie?
Oh, Caillou, you are right about that, but you didn't get my permission to sell Rosie, so I am going to give you a punishment. Caillou Reloaded viewers, tell me in the comments section below what his punishment should be, and make it a good one. In the meantime, Caillou, how dare you sell Rosie on eBay? That's it, you are grounded for 984865647986546149649756000497484million968,197 years.
Okay. So here is the video about Caillou sells Rosie on eBay. So goodbye now, see you tomorrow, and have a good day, and have a good summer, and have fun. Goodbye!